This is an 80 Q&A practice test. Plaintiff attorney, Mr. Franks, capital F-R-A-N-K-S. Defense attorney, Mr. Blake, capital B-L-A-K-E. And we'll start with plaintiff attorney. Ready? Here we go. The latter, okay, just for the record, you used the laser pointer in an area in the middle far right, but in the center of the height of the photo, correct? Yes. Was the gun found on the floor underneath where that ladder was? Yes, on top of a saddle blanket. Okay, when you said you couldn't throw it, say, from the middle of the room and have it land there, why would that be? Well, I guess looking at the picture, it might be possible. I'm looking at me. I'm not that tall. So for me, I think to get it over there, I'd probably be more likely to just walk over and throw it over there closer, from a closer position so it dropped down behind, because all of this is kind of up high, blocking that if I just tossed it. Okay, one last thing. Actually, let me show you another photo, Exhibit 61. Showing you Exhibit 61. It looks like it's the same shed, but some of the stuff had been removed compared to what it was in Exhibit 25, right? Yes, we had removed a lot actually from there. Can you use a laser pointer to point roughly to where the gun was found in this photo? You cannot really see it, correct? Objection, Your Honor. Overruled. Please answer. Yes, it's still behind. I think all these items had to be moved too. I think it's down back in here. Okay, for the record, you used the pointer to point to an area that is kind of the middle of the ladder on the ground, right? Yes. It looks like there's still some couple boxes and a black trash bag filled with stuff right in front of that area. Yes. So in order to get the gun there, somebody had to put it right next to that box, would you say? Well, I think you could have dropped it from behind. Above the ladder, there's a space behind there or up here, because all of this was full of debris, but I think you could, could have dropped it from behind. Also, we moved a lot of items. Things were moving and shifting, so I'm not sure I could say that is exactly where it originated. It may have moved some because things were falling. Okay, one last thing. A couple of last things. All right, and there is no word list. So that will conclude our 80 Q&A practice test.